Adaptive delta modulation and demodulation. Adaptive delta modulation is redefined from the delta modulation. Similar to avoid this method is solved by the slope over distortion and planar noise to avoid these two noises in delta modulation by using this adaptive modulation. This method is similar to the delta modulation and similar to the delta modulation. Adaptive delta modulation. Adaptive delta modulation. Here, to step size of quantizer is not constant, to varies with the time. Time to the step size will be increases according to the message signal. The transmitter consisting of summer, quantizer, delay circuit and logic step size control. The basic baseband signal x into np of is given to the input to the circuit. The feedback presented in the transmitter as acting as integrator. Integrator is generated the staircase approximation of the previous sample values, and at the summer circuit is difference between the previous sample and staircase approximation previous sample is calculated. The error between the signal is passed to the quantizer. We have to quantize this value to be generated. Then step size control by block of the step size of the next approximation based on the either quantizer is high or low depending on the input. Previous sample is greater than the present sample is greater than previous sample, that is high, otherwise it will be low. Quantizer output we have to get. The basically adaptive delta modulation is the circuit diagram as shown in figure. Given to the sample message signal x into nt of s. Sampling frequency is always better than the 2 times greater than the f of m, and 1 bit quantizers, and given to the logic step size. Given to the step size, according to the step size will be varies to the input voltage levels. Then given to the feedback to the delay circuit and come to the summer, the comparison will be start. Otherwise greater input greater, the previous sample is less, then we have to step size 1, otherwise logic 0 will be negative. The adaptive delta modulation we have to get. Then adaptive delta modulation, demodulation of the adaptive delta modulation. At the receiving end, we have to demodulation takes place. A receiver has two parts. First part is step size control. Here received signal is passed through the logic step size controlled block, where the step size is produced from each incoming bit. A step size decided based on the present and previous input. In the second part of the receiver, accumulator circuit reacts the staircase signal. This waveform applied to the low pass filter, which is smooth waveform, is form and rectified to your original signal. The waveform we have seen here, to reduce the staircase, the step size input is x of t. Staircase according to the message signal step size are varies. To minimizing the errors, that's why variable step size we have to reconstruct your original message signal. Then we have to get the adaptive delta modulation step size. The staircase signal is not fixed and changes depends upon the input signal. Here first differences between the present sample value and previous approximation is calculated. This error is quantized. The present sample is smaller than the previous quantized value is high, otherwise it will be low pass. The output is a 1 bit quantizer is given to the logic step size controlled circuit, where the step size is decided. The advantages of this delta modulation. Some of the advantages of this modulation and methods. Adaptive delta modulation is decrease the slope over error present in the delta modulation. During the demodulation, it uses the low pass filter. Low pass filter removes the quantized noises. slope overload error and granular error present in the delta modulation are solved using this modulation. Because of this, a signal to noise ratio of this modulator is better than the delta modulation. In the presence of bit error, this modulation provides robust performance, reduces the need for error detection and correction of circuit by using the radio design. The dynamic range of adaptive delta modulation is large as variable step size cover a large range of the values. Differences between the delta modulation and adaptive delta modulation. Differences between the adaptive delta modulation and delta modulation. Delta modulation step size is fixed for the whole signal, whereas adaptive delta modulation is step size is varies depending upon the input signal. The slope over and the granular noise errors which are present in the delta modulation are not seen in this modulation. The dynamic range of adaptive delta modulation wider than the delta modulation. This modulation utilizes the bandwidth more efficiently than the delta modulation. Applications. Applications of adaptive delta modulation is this is used for the system which requires provide wireless voice quality and the quality of signals is transmitted to the wireless signals. The speed as well as the speed of the bits is increases. And also second applications is used in television signal transmission. This modulation process is used. This modulation is method is used for voice coding. This modulation is used for the standard by NASA for all communication between the mission control and spacecraft. This modulation is used for the NASA for all communication between the mission control and spacecraft. Motorola is Spinnet line of the digital radio product. The bit is transmitted at the delta model at 12 kilobits per second. Second, we are transmitted at 12 kilobits. Providing the voice detection quality of audio signal is better, and various we have to military purposes to transmitting the bit rate is to increase the 16 to 32 bit to modulate the system. And US Army Forces uses the 16 kilobit per second rates to conserve the bandwidth over the tactile links. For improved voice quality of US Air Forces 32 kilobits per second rates. In Bluetooth services to encode the voice signal, this modulation is used with 32 bits per second rate. Decoder is various games such as using the smart TVs and pinball machines such as settles to play the pre-recorder sounds. Adaptive delta mod is also continuously variable slope delta modulation. Okay, this is the adaptive delta modulation.